Most people are alive, but they're not really living. Trapped in a loop, wake up, work, consume, sleep, repeat. They smile for the camera, but cry in silence. They seek validation, but deep inside, they're empty. This channel exists for the ones who feel different, for the ones who question everything, who feel too much, think too deeply, and speak too little. Mindfield Paradox is not just a channel, it's a battleground for your mind, your spirit, your future. Here, we break illusions, we confront pain, we embrace discipline, we build strength, mental, emotional, philosophical. Because no one is coming to save you. This isn't for everyone, but if you've ever looked in the mirror and hated what you've become, if you've ever felt lost, broken, forgotten, then welcome home, subscribe. Not for me, for the version of you that's still waiting to be awakened. Mindfield Paradox. Escape the illusion.